Hi and hello, welcome to Indian Mom Lifestyle. This is Kritika and today's recipe is chicken roast or chicken fry. It's very simple and easy to make, so let's get started. So I've taken 1 kg of chicken, especially drumstick, wings. So make a slit all over your chicken like this so that your marination will get into the chicken well. So make slits like this. Make sure your chicken is well rinsed. So I'm making the slits all over the chicken so that the masalas gets really well into the chicken. So after the marination, so for the marination, you will need, I've taken a blender jar. In that, 1 tomato, 1 onion, big onion that are roughly chopped, and some cloves, garlic cloves, and 1 inch of ginger finely chopped, and then some green chilies. I've taken 2 green chilies and some coriander stems. And finally kasuri methi. I'm using the dried one. So blend it well. So it looks like this after blending. So now the masala part, I'm adding half a teaspoon of pepper powder followed by some cumin powder. It's about 1 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. I usually add turmeric powder more for chicken, and then followed by Kashmiri chili powder. It's about 1 tablespoon. It gives a nice color to the dish. And then chicken kebab masala or 65 masala. It's about 1 teaspoon. And then followed by dry mango powder. It's about half a teaspoon. And then finally garam masala. It's about quarter teaspoon, and blend them together. So in a flat bowl, I've taken some salt for the chicken and then the blended marination. I put it all the masalas. Just mix them together until the salt get mixed well into the marination. And so it's time to put the chicken. So take the chicken pieces and put it on the marination. I've selected the bone pieces, bone and flesh. It gives a nice flavor. And mix well all together until all the masalas are well combined with the chicken. Like this. So I'm just folding it well. The marination is very important for this. So I'm keeping this for 3 to 4 hours, or you can keep it overnight. The flavor will improve if you do so. So finally I'm adding 1 teaspoon of corn flour. This is because the masala gets well coated. When you fry, the masala won't get separated if you add the corn flour. So I'm just rubbing it with my fingers to the chicken. So like this. So the masala gets well into the chicken if you do so. So I'm just keeping this chicken for 3 to 4 hours, either in the fridge or outside, or if you keep it for overnight, it's better. So yeah, I'm going to keep it. So after 3 to 4 hours, you need to take a flat kadai, and I'm going to shallow fry it. It's up to your choice. You can either deep fry or shallow fry. So let the oil get heated up and place the chicken pieces gently. I'm keeping the drumstick first. Children love to eat drumstick pieces, and then followed by the small pieces or the medium size. The pieces should touch the oil flatly. So I've just placed first batch of chicken. So after 2 minutes, cover it with a lid and open it after 5 minutes. So just flip it over each piece of chicken slowly. So yeah, it is lightly roasted now. Just flip it over for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes. So like this. And again, you close it with the lid. So after 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, the chicken is well cooked now. It's roasted nicely. Most of the chicken are cooked. Only the drumstick takes much time to cook. So I'm going to take all the roasted one. So cook it like this for the next batch as well. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes for each batch. So serve it with some nice lemon and some cutted onions. It tastes yummy. You can eat it as a snack or with some fried rice or biryani. It tastes yummy. So friends, enjoy it with your friends and family. So please comment me down below. I would like to read all your comments. So the chicken roast or the chicken fry is absolutely ready. Thank you all for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel. Until then, next time, stay happy.